Former West Indies T20 captain Ravmon Powell been talking quite a bit since his removal as captain. We're hearing about the differences between Sammy as coach and Ravmon as captain, where Ravmon preferred instinctive decision-making on the field, and Sammy wanted every decision to be analytics driven. And ultimately, this difference in approach led to Powell's departure as captain. But question though, when did Darren Sammy become a slave to analytics? We all had Sammy as this great motivator slash cheerleader, and all of a sudden, he's now a slave to analytics. And despite the differences between Sammy and Ravmon, the team did move from number 9 in the world to number 3 in the world before Powell was removed. So we hope, like how Ravmon had to go after a bad patch of results, we hope to see consistency when Sammy, as all-format coach, has his bad patch of results, that Sammy will do the Ravmon thing and lift up.